Hey YouTube, today I'm going to be showing you my two cats. Damn. They really hate each other. This one's name is Spooky, right here. This one's name is Twinkie, because she's really fat. Look at how fat she is. Ow, 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 you clawed me. Okay, this... Oh, come on, ready? Here, I'll put Twinkie down right now. Twinkie. This one's the nasty one. Yeah, she's the nasty one. Look, hey. You want to see her fangs? Oh, yeah, you see how big those things are? Yeah. It's okay. Hey, it's okay. It's okay. See, I'm not even mean to them, and they hiss at me and stuff. I don't know what it is. Yeah, well, that's my two cats. And watch, hold on. When I get Twinkie by herself, here, I'll put this one down. It's okay. Here, when I get this one by myself, she never usually meows and stuff. Hey, it's okay. Don't claw me. She usually likes me. She's pretty good. She likes all the kids, but the black one, she's nasty. This one doesn't really like the black one either. See? What? What? She usually never meows, so I don't know what's going on. Jesus Christ. Whew. She never usually does that. I don't know. I guess she doesn't want to be up in my room. Oh well. Oh, baby. Say bye-bye, YouTube.